Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. In the last lecture we have studied practice set 3.4. Now in this lecture we are going to study some examples from problem set 3. That means from the problem set of the chapter 3 arithmetic progression. Let us study the third example from the problem set 3. In an AP, the 10th term is 46, sum of the 5th and 7th term is 52, then find the AP. मग आता इथं काय दिलेत बघा, 10th टर्म दिलेला आहे आणि 5वा व 7वा टर्मची बेरीज दिली आहे, त्याच्यावरून आपल्याला तो AP काढायचा आहे. मग AP काढायचं म्हणजेच काय करावं लागेल आपल्याला, फर्स्ट टर्म A and कॉमन डिफरन्स D हे दोन्ही टर्म आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, काढावं लागेल. मग त्याच्यावरून आपल्याला AP काढता येईल. नाउ हियर लेट first term is equal to A in common difference is equal to D. Okay, now let's use the nth term formula Tn. So here Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is given here? Which term is given? 10th term is given. That means T10 is equal to A plus n means 10 minus 1 into D. So T10 is given 46, that is equal to A plus 9D. Say this as equation number 1. Again, what is given? The sum of 5th term and 7th term is 52. Sum of 5th term means T5 plus T7 is equal to sum of the 5th term and the 7th term, that is equal to how much? 52 is given. So sum of the 5th term plus 7th term is a plus 5th term means 5 minus 1 into D plus 7th term A plus 7 minus 1 into D. Okay, it is given here. Sum of the 5th term and 7th term is 52. It is given, so write here 52 is equal to A plus 4D, 5 minus 1 4D plus A plus 6D. Okay, that is equal to, therefore 52 is equal to A plus A 2A plus 10D. Now divide by 2 on both sides. Divide by 2 on both sides. So we will get here divide by 2 to the 52. We will get here 26 is equal to divide by 2 to 2A. We will get A plus divide by 2 to 10. We will get 5D. Say this as equation number 2. Okay, equation number 2. Now by using these two equations you can find the values of A and D. So here subtract equation second from first. Subtracting equation second from first. का सेकंड लहान आहे, फर्स्ट मोठी आहे, म्हणून फर्स्ट मधनं लहान असणार मायनस करून टाका. सो राइट हियर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन 46 is equal to A plus 9D and 52 is equal to A plus 5D. सबट्रॅक्शन करायचं आहे. मग सबट्रॅक्शन करताना सेकंड इक्वेशन मधले प्रत्येकाचा टर्म काय करायचं मायनस करायचं आहे. सो हियर इट विल बिकम मायनस, हियर इट इज मायनस and it is also minus. Plus and minus a gets cancelled. So here minus 52 plus 46. So minus 52 minus 46 is a minus 6. 52 मधनं 46 मायनस केलं 6 आलं. मग 52 चं साइन मायनस असल्यामुळे minus 6 is equal to what we get here 4d. बरोबर. हो सॉरी इथं 26 आहे, 52 नाही 26 आहे. मग 46 मधनं 26 मायनस करा, विल गेट हियर 20. ओके. 9d minus 5d means 4d. Now divide by 4 on both sides. So we get here d is equal to 20 upon 4. That means d is equal to 5. 4×5 okay, we'll get d is equal to 5. Now put the value of d is equal to 5 in any one of the equation. So put substituting d is equal to 5 in equation number 2. दुसऱ्या इक्वेशन मध्ये ठेवलं. दुसरा इक्वेशन आहे. So write the second equation. 26 is equal to a plus 5d. Now put the value of d as a 5. So 26 as it is equal to a plus 5 into d is a 5. Okay. Therefore 26 is equal to a plus 25. बरोबर. a plus 25. Therefore 26 minus 25 is equal to a. ये 25 इकडे आणलं, it will become minus 25. So we will get here a is equal to 1. 26 minus 5 25 means a is equal to 1. मग आता d ची किंमत मिळाली, a ची किंमत मिळाली. मग आता आपल्याला ap लिहिता येईल. सो a plus d or the AP. Therefore the required AP is first term 1. The common difference is 5 means is a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d dash dash. That is therefore or a means 1 comma d means 5. So here first of all we can find here a is equal to 1, a plus d is equal to 1 plus 5 6, a plus 2d is equal to 1 plus 2 into 5, that is 1 plus 10, that is equal to 11. Okay, therefore the required AP is first term 1, second term 6 आणि 11 17 dash dash. Okay, sorry here 16 is there, not 17. Look at the fifth example. Two APs are given 9 7 5 9 7 5 dash dash and 24 21 21 18 dash dash. If nth term of both the progressions are equal, then find the value of n and the nth term. Here the two APs are given 975 dash dash and 24 21 18 dash dash, means infinity. Here if nth term of the both APs are equal, then we have to find the value of n and the nth term. So here take the first AP. For first AP, for the first AP, A is equal to what? 9, and D is equal to 7 minus 9 is equal to minus 2. Okay, and what we have to find here? The nth term. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is equal to A means 9 plus n minus 1 into D means minus 2. Okay, n is to be found, that is equal to 9 a minus 2 into plus n minus 2n minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, that is equal to 7. 9 plus 2 11 minus 2n, it is Tn. Okay, for the first AP. Now find the Tn for the second AP. Okay, so for second AP, for second AP, A is equal to 24, D is equal to 21 minus 24, that is equal to minus 3. Okay, now again use Tn. So find Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, that is equal to A is a 24 plus n is n minus 1 into D is a minus 3. Okay, that is equal to 24 plus into this minus 3, and means minus 3n, minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 24 plus 3 27 minus 3n, this is Tn. But here the nth term of both the APs are equal. Nth term of both the APs are equal here. So use the given condition here. Therefore by the given condition, write the statement by the given condition, or is to be written here 11 minus 2n is equal to 27 minus 3n. These two terms are equal. Nth terms of both the APs are equal here. Nth term of the first AP is 11 minus 2n, and the nth term of second AP is 27 minus 3n. So these two terms are equal here. So write this minus 2n as it is here. Take this minus 3n to this side, it will become here plus 3n is equal to, write this 27 as it is. Take this 11 to this side, it will become minus 11. Okay. Then, so plus minus 2n plus 3n. So you get here n. 27 minus 11 is 16. So here the value of n is what? 16. So you can find the 16th term or nth term. To find nth term, that nth term, that is T16. Okay. Therefore here Tn is equal to A plus, आता इथं ते लिहायची गरज नाहीये, डायरेक्टली आपण nth टर्म काढले बघा. nth टर्म कुठल्या दोन्हीपैकी एक घ्या. 11 minus 2n घेतलं अथवा 27 minus 3n घेतलं, that is equal to T16 11 minus 2 into किती येते बघा, n किती आहे 16 आहे, n किती आहे 16. So if you 16 left, that is equal to 11 minus 32. That is equal to minus 21. T16 is a minus 21. Let us see the sixth example. If sum of third and eighth term of an AP is 7 and sum of 7th and 14th term is minus 3, then find the 10th term. Sum of third term and eighth term. मग त्याच्यासाठी काय करावं लागेल आपल्याला इथं थर्ड टर्म आणि एथ टर्म काढायचं आणि त्याची बेरीज बरोबर किती दाखवायचंय 7 दाखवायचं आणि 7th टर्म आणि 14th टर्म काढायचं आणि त्यांची बेरीज बरोबर -3 दाखवायचं आणि त्याच्यावरनं ए आणि डी ची किंमत काढा मग नंतर आपल्याला 10th टर्म काढता येतो tn = वापरून. ओके, सो हियर लेट फर्स्ट टर्म is equal to a and common difference is equal to what? D. Therefore Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. कारण इथं आपल्याला तिसरं टर्म आणि 8वं टर्म काढायचं आहे. So find the third term. So T3 is equal to a is the first term a plus n is 3 minus 1 into d. Okay, that is equal to a plus 2d. So T3 is equal to, okay, again find T8. So T8 is equal to a plus 8 minus 1 into d. That is T8 is equal to a plus 7d. Okay, now find the sum of these two terms. Therefore here T3 plus T8 is equal to what? A plus 2d plus a plus 7d. Okay, now T3 plus T8, sum of the third and fourth 8th term is given 7, so it is 7 is equal to a plus a 2a plus 7 2d plus 7d 9d. Say this as equation number 1. Again find the terms here similarly. Which term? 7th and 14th term. Find the 7th term and 14th term here. 7th and 14th term. So T7 is equal to a plus 7 minus 1 into d, that is equal to a plus 6d. Again T14th is equal to a plus 14 minus 1 into d, that is a plus 13d. Now sum of these two terms. So here T7 plus T14 is equal to a plus 6d plus a plus 13d. Okay, this is given. 7th and 14th, sum of 7th and 14th term is -3. So right here -3, that is equal to a plus a 2a plus 6 plus 13d 19d. Say this as equation number 2. Now solve these two equations, equation first and equation second. Subtract equation, which equation here? Subtract equation second from 1 or 1 from second. So subtracting equation 1 from 2. 2 मधनं 1 मायनस केलं, मग 2 आहे तसं लिहायचं इथं -3 इज इक्वल टू, आता 1 फ्रॉम 2 आहे तसं लिहा, -3 इज इक्वल टू 2a प्लस 19d आणि हे इकडं लिहायचं आहे 7 इज इक्वल टू 2a प्लस 9d इज इक्वल टू, आता बघा इथं याचं साइन चेंज करा, मायनस करायचं म्हणून मायनस मायनस मायनस, दिस 2a and minus 2a cancelled, so minus 3 minus 7 will get here minus 10 is equal to 19 minus d, 9d is equal to 10d. Okay, therefore d is equal to here minus 10 upon 10, that is equal to 1, minus 1, बरोबर, minus 10 upon 10, therefore d is equal to here minus 1, d ची किंमत मिळाली minus 1. आता ही जी d ची किंमत आहे ती d ची किंमत कुठल्या तरी एका इक्वेशन मध्ये ठेवा आणि ते a ची व्हॅल्यू काढा. नाउ सबस्टिट्यूटिंग द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ d, so here substituting d is equal to minus 1 in equation 1. So write equation 1, 7, therefore 7 is equal to a plus, equation 1 कुठला आलाय, a plus 9d. ओके, बरोबर, a plus 9d हे फर्स्ट इक्वेशन आलंय. सो हियर पुट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ d हियर, 7 is equal to a plus 9 into minus 1. So here 7 is equal to a plus, sorry, plus into minus, minus 9. So here you get 7, take this one to this side, it will become here plus 9, that is equal to a, therefore we will get here a is equal to 16. The first term is 16 and the common difference is minus 1. Okay. So sorry, the first equation is here, 7 is equal to a plus 3d, नाही इथं काय आहे 2a plus 9d आहे, 2a plus 9d, so here 2a, so 2a is a 16, here 2a is a 16, therefore a is equal to how much, 16 upon 2, that is a is equal to 8. फर्स्ट टर्म काय येतो इथं 8 येतो. मग आपल्याला काढायचं काय इथं बघा 10th टर्म काढायचं. सो हियर वी हॅव टू फाइंड द 10th टर्म बाय यूजिंग द nth term of an AP. Therefore to find 10th term, therefore use the Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is T10 is equal to a means 8 plus n means 10 minus 1 into d means minus 1, that is equal to 8 minus 1 into, sorry, plus 9, 10 minus 1 9 into minus 1, that is equal to 8 plus into this minus 1 plus into this minus 1 minus 9, that is equal to minus 1. So T10 is equal to minus 1. The 10th term, therefore the 10th term is minus 1. 10th term of an AP is a minus 1. Okay. Look at the 7th example. In an AP, the first term is minus 5 and the last term is 45. If sum of all numbers in the AP is a 120, then how many terms are there and what is the common difference? How many terms म्हणजे आपल्याला इथं काय काढायचं आहे n काढायचं आहे आणि कॉमन डिफरन्स d काढायचं आहे. मग त्यासाठी इथं कॉमन डिफरन्स d माना आणि नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स n माना. सो लेट common difference is equal to d and number of terms is equal to n. Number of terms is equal to n. काय काय दिलेत बघा इथं first term is minus 5. So here a is equal to minus 5. First term is minus 5 and the last term means what? Tn is equal to 45 and the sum of all the terms is a 120, means Sn is equal to 120. From this given values we have to find n and d. So first use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into T1 plus Tn. सेकंड फॉर्म्युला वापरा, कारण इथं आपल्याला T1 म्हणजे फर्स्ट टर्म माहिती आहे आणि द लास्ट टर्म Tn माहिती आहे, त्यामुळे इथं हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करा. Sn is given 120, that is equal to n is to be find, so n upon 2 into T1 is minus 5 plus Tn is 45. Okay, therefore 120 is equal to as it is n upon 2 as it is into minus 5 plus 45, we will get here 40. So here divide by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 and the 0. So here we will get 120 is equal to 20 n. Now divide by 20 on both sides. So we will get here n is equal to 120 upon 20. Therefore n is equal to how much? 6. 2 0 0 cancel and 2 1 2 2 6 12 n is 6. That means how many terms are there here? How many terms? Therefore there are 6 terms in the AP. Therefore there are 6 terms in the AP. AP मध्ये किती टर्म्स आहेत? 6 टर्म्स आहेत. आता कॉमन डिफरन्स आपल्याला काढायचं आहे. कॉमन डिफरन्स D काढायचा आहे. मग आता 6 टर्म म्हणजे कॉमन डिफरन्स D काढण्यासाठी तर बघा टोटल टर्म्स आहे 6 म्हणजे जिथे आपल्याला Tn फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा आहे. सो हियर वी हॅव टू यूज Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 6 terms are there. So T6 is equal to A is a minus 5 plus n is a 6 minus 1. D is to be find, so write D as it is. T6 is how much? किती टर्म्स आहेत? 6 टर्म्स आहेत. मग T6 किती येणार आहे? बघा T6 येणार इथं किती दिलेत? किती टर्म दिलेत बघा. T6 म्हणजे लास्ट टर्म किती आहे? लास्ट टर्म म्हणजे T6 म्हणजे किती? 45. So 45 is given here. 45 is equal to this minus 5 as it is plus 6 minus 1 5 into this D 5D. Take this minus 5 to this side. It will become here 45. It will become plus 5 is equal to this 5D as it is. Therefore 45 plus 5 is equal to 50 is equal to 5D. Now divide by 5 on both sides. So you will get here D is equal to 50 divided by 5. आता किती मिळेल? D is equal to how much? 10. Therefore the common difference is 10. Write the answer here. Therefore the common difference is 10. Okay, understand? Let us see the 8th example. Sum of 1 to n natural numbers is 36. Then find the value of n. 1 ते 36 नॅचरल नंबर मधील नंबरची बेरीज आहे किती? 36. मग यांची किंमत काढायची आपल्याला. ओके, सो हियर व्हॉट इज गिवन? Sn is given 36. Sn is given 36. First natural number is equal to 1. therefore A is equal to 1. The common difference is equal to D is equal to 1. कॉमन डिफरन्स देखील 1 आहे. मग आता काय करायचं आपल्याला, एसएन फॉर्म्युला यूज करा. एसएन फॉर्म्युला यूज करून आपल्याला काढायचं आहे n. ओके, यूज द फॉर्म्युला. सो हियर एसएन इज इक्वल टू n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is given 36. Write here 36. N by 2. N is to be found, so write n as it is. N by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into d is also 1. बरोबर. 36 is equal to n by 2 into 1 2 plus n minus 1 into 1 means n minus 1. Okay, that is equal to हे 2 इकडे आणा. आता 2 इकडे आणले की काय होणार, 36 into 2 होणार is equal to n into bracket 2 minus 1 1 plus n. ओके, आता काय येणार आहे बघा, हे इथं गुणाकार करा, इथं गुणाकार करा. हे 72 is equal to n into 1 n plus n into n square. मग आता मिळेल इथं काय बघा, गुणाकार करा. गुणाकार केला आपण इथं, हे काय करा, 72 इकडे घ्या, हे 72 ह्या साईडला घ्या. सो विल गेट हियर n square plus n, it will become minus 72, that is equal to 0. हे क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन मिळालं आपल्याला. हे क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन काय करा, फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथडने सोडवा. फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथडने सोडत असताना काय करायचं आहे, -72 चे असे दोन फॅक्टर काढा की ज्यांची वजाबाकी 1 येईल. कारण याचं साइन मायनस असल्यामुळे आपल्याला वजाबाकी करायचं आहे. पण ऍक्च्युअली आपण म्हणतो तिथं बेरीज, पण करताना वजाबाकीच करायचं आहे. ओके, मग याचे फॅक्टर्स येतील, -72 चे फॅक्टर्स येतील 9 into 8. त्यापैकी मोठी आहे 9. 9 ला मधल्या पदाचं चिन्ह द्या प्लस आणि याला मायनस द्या. सो विल गेट हियर n square plus 9n minus 8n minus 72 is equal to 0. असे ग्रुप पाडा. मग या पहिल्या ग्रुप मधनं कॉमन काढा. मिळेल आपल्याला n इंटू ब्रॅकेट n प्लस 9 बरोबर, मायनस इथे 8 कॉमन येतो, कारण 72 ला देखील 8 ने भाग जातो. 8 कॉमन काढला, इंटू ब्रॅकेट राहिले n. इथं मायनस आहे, मायनस काढल्यामुळे इथला साइन काय होतो, बदलतो. प्लस असले की मायनस होतो, मायनस असले की प्लस होतो. मग आता 8 नेला बघा, 8 9 72, दॅट इज इक्वल टू 0. आता दोन्ही कंसामध्ये सेम टर्म्स आहेत. सो n प्लस 9 इंटू सेकंड ब्रॅकेट n मायनस 8, दॅट इज इक्वल टू 0. सो n प्लस 9 इज इक्वल टू 0 और n माइनस 8 इज इक्वल टू 0. सो n इज इक्वल टू -9 और n is equal to +8. But here n is the number of terms. n is number of terms. Therefore n is not equal to -9. नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स असल्यामुळे ते मायनस असू शकत नाही. सो हियर n is equal to 8. Therefore the value of n is 8. What is the value of n? n is 8. Okay, understand? So we'll see the next examples in the next lecture. So thank you.